planet Earth. A place of statistical impossibilities where life has flourished beyond all odds. A place where nature blurred the lines between reality and imagination, and water carved the landscapes that inspired fairy tales. From the undulating sands of vast deserts to the cascading sheets of ice in polar realms, every corner tells a story of evolution, wonder, and survival. So come, join us in this epic pursuit. Through towering mountains, deep oceans, and mysterious forests, as we embark to discover the places, stories, and hidden wonders that make it our home.